Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be comparing two AIs, HeyGen and Colossyan. So starting with HeyGen, HeyGen offers a clean drag and drop interface with quick rendering. So it is great for marketers and content creators. If I talk about avatar quality and design, its avatar has expressive faces, smooth gestures, and better camera framing, which is super close to real life presenters. It has more than it has multiple languages and lets you tweak voice tone, pitch, and even add emotions, which is good for engaging content. Now, if I talk about pricing, so the basic plan is the starting plan is free and it can go up to $39 per month depending on the type of features and plan you choose. And you can go in the website and decide which one suits you the best. Now, if I talk about Colossyan, just cut it over here. So if I talk about Colossyan, it feels more structured and ideal for team creating videos. It is more for training videos and e-learning modules. Think about slides, not stories. So the avatar looks professional too and slightly less dynamic. So more business type and less lifelike. So it supports more than 70 plus languages with clear, consistent voiceovers. So it is great for global teams. It starts slightly higher and is perfect for HR teams, training departments, and enterprise level communication. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.